Ah, it's such a beautiful Independence Day. And it looks like the fireworks are about to go off now. Oh hello Zira, my designated representative. What brings you here?
Sir. We have received urgent news from the North American Aerospace Defense Command that Russia has launched over 35 nuclear missiles, and the missiles are believed to be heading towards the United States.
Oh my God. And when will they impact?
According to NORAD, it will be in the next 2 hours.
Oh no. We must take action immediately. Cancel the fireworks. Activate the emergency alert system. We must inform the public about this.
Yes, sir.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the United States government. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures for a national emergency. The President or his representative will shortly deliver a message to the public. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming will be discontinued during this emergency. This is WHDH. We will continue furnishing news, official information, and instructions for the Boston area. If you are not in this local area, tune out to stations providing news and information for your local area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. Please stand by. Please stand by. government, and the North American Aerospace Defense Command. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. I wish to not say this on a day where we celebrate the independence of all Americans, but a nuclear attack is currently ongoing at this time. At approximately 6:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the North American Aerospace Defense Command detected the launch of 35 intercontinental ballistic nuclear missiles from Russia that are heading directly for the United States. These missiles are expected to impact the following locations within the next 2 hours: Chicago, Illinois; Minneapolis, Minnesota; Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania; Los Angeles, California; Columbus, Ohio; Las Vegas, Nevada; Boston, Massachusetts; Nashville, Tennessee; Detroit, Michigan; Cincinnati, Ohio; Portland, Oregon; Memphis, Tennessee; Raleigh, North Carolina; Jacksonville, Florida; Austin, Texas; Indianapolis, Indiana; Denver, Colorado; Salt Lake City, Utah; Seattle, Washington; Fresno, California; Kansas City, Kansas; Tulsa, Oklahoma; Mobile, Alabama; New York City, New York; Omaha, Nebraska; New Orleans, Louisiana; Baltimore, Maryland; Albuquerque, New Mexico; Jackson, Mississippi; Lincoln, Nebraska; Des Moines, Iowa; Grand Rapids, Michigan; Little Rock, Arkansas; and Sioux Falls, South Dakota. If you are within a 200-mile radius of these cities, you are advised to immediately seek a fallout shelter. Fallout is a product of nuclear attack and explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Fallout can spread over a large area from the explosion site. My fellow Americans, even though this may be a massive blow to the heart to all of us, we will not lose hope. We will remain strong. Once these missiles impact, they will send America to its lowest point yet. However, we will rebuild back to our high point in the world. We will prove to the world that we are truly one nation under God. This ends my message. My God bless you, and may God bless the United States of America.